Hello everyone. The target of this RecurDyn StarterKit is the beginners who are not familiar with multi-body dynamics software or RecurDyn. The purpose of this RecurDyn StarterKit is to introduce the basic information about MBD and RecurDyn. Also, the basic information about how to use RecurDyn will be introduced. After you understand the contents of this StarterKit, you can learn the advanced usage of RecurDyn using the materials available in RecurDyn Technical Support site here. There are many self-learning materials such as e-learning, tutorials, FAQs, and technical tips. This is the index of this starter kit. First, we will talk about the outline of multi-body dynamics, in short, MBD. Then, 7 reasons why we should use RecurDyn, what is RecurDyn, and applications of RecurDyn. The later part of this starter kit will cover the basic usage of RecurDyn about pre-solving and post-processing, and I will provide brief information about RecurDyn Toolkits and MFBD. Lastly, the additional self-study materials will be introduced. First of all, let me introduce what MBD is. MBD is the abbreviation of multi-body dynamics. This means a dynamic analysis of an assembly which consists of the several bodies in motion. Since it is dynamics, transient analysis is the main type of simulation. Before explaining MBD, let's talk about CAE. CAE is the abbreviation of Computer-Aided Engineering. CAE means to use computer simulation for product design, troubleshooting, evaluation of product, and others. There are many subcategories in CAE, especially CAE related to mechanical engineering are listed in this table. For example, linear finite element analysis, nonlinear finite element analysis, multi-body dynamics, this is the main topic of this video, or computer fluid dynamics, so-called CFD. Without using CAE, when a product is developed, concept, design, test, using the physical prototype is the usual process. If any problem occurs during this test stage, the design needs to be modified and it must be tested again. This process requires lots of time and cost. If CAE used, significant portion of the design and test can be virtualized. This allows to save considerable time and cost, especially if the product is very fragile or related to human safety, or the product cannot be tested in the real environments. For example, satellite, CAE is the only solution for those cases. These videos show the durability test and the simulation result of the suspension. CAE can give the result which cannot be obtained from the physical test, and those results can be easily visualized, like this. MBD, multi-body dynamics, is the numerical simulation in which multi-body systems are composed of various rigid or flexible bodies, especially for the system in motion. There are many applications such as the study of dynamic behavior of system, or the calculation of laws that can be used for structural analysis. Of course, there are many other applications where multi-body dynamics can be used. For your information, there is a technology called MFBD which can simulate rigid bodies and flexible bodies simultaneously with one solver. MBD analysis usually starts from importing a CAD file. Of course, MBD software provides basic functions to create simple geometries in it. After importing geometry files, user can define various dynamic conditions with joint, force, and contact. After simulation, the position, velocity, and acceleration of the bodies or forces and torques over time can be obtained. What user needs to do is to input the intuitive forces and constraint conditions, then see the dynamic behavior. Since rigid bodies are mainly used, the simulation speed is very fast even if it is transient analysis. Why MBD software needs to be used? Here, let me introduce the advantages of multi-body dynamic software, especially based on the unique advantages of RecurDyn. As you see here, I will talk about 7 reasons. First, system-level analysis. Second, load calculation for FEA. Third, specialized for MBD analysis. Fourth, not only rigid body, but also flexible body. Fifth, scalability for interdisciplinary simulation. Sixth, various application toolkits for easy-to-use modeling and simulation. Seventh, globally used MBD software. First, system-level analysis. For mechanical simulation, FEA software is widely used. However, FEA focuses on the component-level simulation rather than the entire system-level analysis. But you often cannot obtain the result from the component-level analysis, which only handles few number of parts. The real mechanical system consists of many parts. They interact with one another. For example, to evaluate the vibration of the gripper of a robot arm, the entire dynamic movement and vibration must be considered. In case of the belt or chain system in a vehicle, the driving condition can affect them. MBD focuses on the system-level analysis, so it can evaluate the system behavior and the interactions between components. RecurDyn is the professional MBD software which provides from intuitive to fast analysis and post-processing for system-level analysis. This table shows the brief comparison between MBD and FEA. MBD focuses on the entire system behavior. FEA usually focuses on the individual component. MBD, performance of the system is the main interest. In case of FEA, structural performance of a component. Relatively large motion, small motion. Transient analysis for a long duration. Static analysis or transient analysis for a very short duration, usually less than millisecond order. Second, load calculation for FEA. Even if FEA is widely used in CAE, it requires the boundary condition and the load condition. If those conditions change according to the dynamic motion or the interaction among the components, it is reasonable to use MBD to calculate those conditions and use the MBD results for FEA. To do so, user can make a system model using RecurDyn and obtain the load conditions of the several locations, then apply them to FEA model and perform the structural analysis, like this. FEA results can be used for MBD, such as modal analysis data or distributed loads. Of course, without additional FEA software, RecurDyn can be used for the transient structural analysis using MFBD technology. Third, specialized for MBD analysis. RecurDyn is the professional MBD software. It is developed by the professionals of multi-body dynamics. And the pre-post processing of RecurDyn is specialized for MBD analysis. Especially, fast and accurate contact algorithm is very important in MBD. RecurDyn provides the top-class contact algorithm and diverse contact libraries for various purposes. And user can customize RecurDyn using C# or Excel to create special UI or automate repetitive works. Fourth, not only rigid body but also flexible body. In the past, many people thought that MBD could solve the rigid model only, but now you can simulate the model which consists of the rigid bodies as well as the flexible bodies with MBD software. Especially, unlike other MBD software, RecurDyn can calculate all degrees of freedoms of the nodes and handles the nonlinearity such as large deformation and flexible body contact, while the other software handle linear flexibility only. It means RecurDyn can do more feasible simulation. In addition, RecurDyn provides the easy UI to convert the body types between rigid and flexible, and it also supports various post-processing and durability. It means users who know how to use RecurDyn do various tasks with one software, RecurDyn. This shows the MFBD analysis process using RecurDyn. CAD handler for rigid bodies, built-in mesher, RFlexGen. It's a built-in eigensolver for modal analysis. Of course, external mesh or external FE result can be used in RecurDyn. Fifth, scalability for the interdisciplinary simulation. RecurDyn supports various interdisciplinary simulations such as mechatronics, optimization, fluid, and granular dynamics. For example, control analysis using co-simulation with Simulink, AMESIM, SimPlotter, SimulationX, and FMI can be used. Optimization using RecurDyn Auto Design is available. CFD or granular dynamics using co-simulation with ParticleWorks or EDEM are supported. 6. Various application toolkits for easy-to-use modeling and simulation. RecurDyn provides various toolkits. RecurDyn toolkit means plugin which can be used for specific applications or industry with a specialized UI and solver based on RecurDyn. For example, gear, bearing, belt, chain toolkits for general machinery, crank, piston, valve toolkits for engine, track toolkits for heavy machinery or military machinery. Media transport system for printer or copier are the RecurDyn toolkits, which are widely used in the world, and drivetrain or other toolkits are available. 7th, globally used MBD software. RecurDyn is now used by many companies in over 30 countries. More than 500 companies use many commercial licenses of RecurDyn. Most of the famous companies in automotive, construction machinery, printer, or copier are using RecurDyn for their product development. The usability and the reliability of RecurDyn have been validated by numerous number of users over 20 years. I have introduced the background of MBD and RecurDyn so far. Now, let me introduce what RecurDyn is. RecurDyn is an MBD software developed by FunctionBay. This is the web page. RecurDyn is easy-to-use and easy-to-learn software which provides various toolkits and interfaces with many other software. Also, it supports diverse multidisciplinary analysis. RecurDyn is the software for Windows, but it provides a standalone solver for Linux either. I am recording this video on August 2019. The latest version of RecurDyn is RecurDyn V9R2, which was released in 2018, and every year the new version of RecurDyn is released. So the new version of RecurDyn V9R3 will be released soon this year. RecurDyn consists of a core platform called RecurDyn Professional, and there are various interdisciplinary toolkits such as MFBD related toolkits. Mechatronics and optimization toolkits are available, and also particle dynamic software related interface and various application toolkits are available. This shows the components of RecurDyn. RecurDyn Professional is the core platform, and it has multidisciplinary toolkits, application toolkits, communicators including CAD translators or co-simulation interfaces, and automation and customization tools are available. I will show you the industries where RecurDyn is mainly used. RecurDyn is mainly used for the simulation of multi-body assemblies in motion, especially when user wants to analyze transient behavior or characteristics. MBD software is inevitable. RecurDyn is used widely in automotive and electronics industry. For example, suspension of a car, engine simulation, or lubrication mechanism in the transmission can be analyzed using RecurDyn. In electronics, zoom lens mechanism of a camera, circuit breaker, or the balancer in a washing machine are the frequent applications of RecurDyn. Robot industry also use RecurDyn a lot. Many users use RecurDyn to select an appropriate motor or to design a controller for robot. In aerospace industry, physical test is very expensive and difficult. At the same time, the transient behavior of the system is very important. For example, landing gear or satellite. So RecurDyn is useful in this area. Construction machinery is one of the industries where RecurDyn is the most widely used. RecurDyn is used in military and agricultural area as well. Most of the famous global printer or copier manufacturers are using RecurDyn. RecurDyn is very powerful for the simulation of the thin, flexible media like film or paper or cash. In addition, there are many other industries where RecurDyn is widely used, such as machine tools, bio, medical, packaging industries.